This channel is making more than $14,000 per month from YouTube AdSense by posting automated short videos. Based on the data from the Social Blade, the current monthly estimated earning for this channel is between $14,000 to $262,000 per month. And the best part is, this channel started in January 2023, and within these 6 months has gained more than 500,000 subscribers. Now, let's see how they are making their videos.
This cute ocean creature has one of the most unique.
See, they are just telling interesting facts about different animals in their videos, and using different stock videos and photos. And trust me, if you have an internet connection, laptop, and some time, you can also make similar short videos. And today I am going to teach you how you can make similar kinds of short videos within 10 minutes using AI. So, stay tuned till the end, and do consider subscribing. Step 1. Come over to ChatGPT, and then ask ChatGPT to give us the 10 most interesting and mysterious animal names. And you can see that ChatGPT will come up with some interesting and mysterious animal names. Now just pick one animal and ask to write interesting facts for YouTube short video for that particular animal. And it should be within 300 characters. And you can see that ChatGPT write an interesting script for us. So, we found our YouTube short script. Now step 2, come over to Google Text-to-Speech voice tool to record our voiceover. You can also record your voiceover by yourself. Now click on Demo, then here you need to paste your script. Then just click on Speak It, and don't worry, it's completely free. But the problem is, in its free version you can't download the audio. So, to download the audio, use this Google Chrome extension, Chrome Audio Capture. Just add this extension to Chrome and pin it. Then whenever want to record your voiceover, just click on Start Capture and it will automatically capture the audio. Then just simply download it. Or you can use the SpeechLow text-to-speech voiceover tool like I am using. But this is not free, it will charge you $47, but it's worth investing, because it will give you human-like natural sound. You can get the link from the pinned comment and description. Now, step 3, come over to Canva. Then select the video icon, and then select the mobile video template. So, now we need to edit the video. To edit the video, first and foremost what we have to do is, you need to copy the animal name from ChatGPT, and then come over to canva.com and click on the Elements tab. Once you click on the Elements tab, you will get the Search Element option. Just paste the animal name over here and click on Enter. If you are using a Canva Pro account, then you will get a lot of graphics, photos, and videos related to the animal. But if you are not using Canva Pro, then you can use different free stock footage websites like pixel.com. See, when I search for that term, I'm getting a lot of videos for that animal. From there you can easily download these videos and then upload them on canva.com. These are all the free stock footage website lists. I suggest you take a screenshot now. Now, what you have to do is just drag the video and drop it over here, and then you need to adjust the timeline based on your requirement. And in the same way, you can also add photos over here. Here, I'm going to use this photo. Just drag and drop it onto the timeline. Now, if you are using images of the animal, then you need to animate the images. To animate, just click on the images, click on Animate, and I recommend you to use this animation breath, because it will make it like a video. Now I am just adding some more videos and images. Now the one thing remaining is that we need to add some cool transitions to make it look professional. To add the transition, just hover over between two clips and then click on Add Transition. Here I'm going to use this transition called the Dissolve. Okay, the transition is added over here, and in the same way, you can add any transitions. Now my video is almost ready, but what you need to do is, you need to add the photo and video based on the voiceover. To upload the voiceover, just click on the Upload button, and then click on Upload File over here. Then upload the audio file, and see my audio file uploaded onto Canva. Then just simply drag and drop the audio file over here, and it will add it according to your timeline. Now it's time to add background music. To find the music, come over to Elements and search for Clam Genre Music, and then click on this Audio tab and you will get a lot of music over here. But these are all the Pro music. If you're using a Canva Pro account, you can use the music from over here. Otherwise, you can use music from the YouTube audio library. Just filter the search term to Clam Genre Music and you are good to go. So, just drag the music and drop it onto the timeline. Now we need to adjust the volume level of the background music. Right now, it's about 100, but we need to reduce the volume level to 23 so that it will not oversaturate the main voiceover. Basically, you need to make sure that the voiceover should have 100% volume level, and the background music have a volume level of 18. See, we made this short in just 5 minutes. To download that, click on the share button and then click on download. Now, we need to do just one thing. But before we proceed, I request you to like and subscribe to this channel. If you feel like you have gotten value so far, it's free, but you will get a lot of money making ideas from this channel. Now step 4, we need to add a caption. Now to add the caption to the video, we are going to use the free video editing software, CapCut. Just download the CapCut to your computer and then open. Now, click on the new project, and you will see this kind of interface. First, we need to import the file. To import the file, click on Import, and then select the file over here. Now, just drag and drop the video over here, and it will add that video to the timeline. To add the caption, CapCut has an auto caption option. To enable that, just click on the text icon, then select auto caption. Let's select the language English, then check mark this option, clear the current subtitle, and then click on Create. And CapCut will automatically create a caption based on the voiceover. As you can see that it will create a caption for us, but we need to change its style. First, we need to fast change the font. So here I am going to use the bold font. Then click on this effect option, and you use any of the preset forms here. Here I am going to use this preset because I love this. You can change the color of the text. Here I am going to change the color from black to yellow. Our caption is almost done. Now just increase the font size from here. Okay, our caption is ready. Click on the export button, and then change the video name, and select the video file 1080p, and then click on export. So, that's how you can make this kind of shorts and make money through YouTube Shorts. But to make money from YouTube, it requires some time, even some months. So, if you want to make money fast, then I suggest you do affiliate marketing. We build a free training where you can learn how to make money as an affiliate fast. Go and join the free training and see you in the next video. Thanks.